file kayon no jay dapat nga mahiring ijay barangay for mediation ipasublida. Dismissal na jay kaso pag nagtungtong kayo pa ijay barangay. Uray man nun apan ijay korte, ipandamanan ijay court annex mediation at dati na train ijay nga mediators. Ijay NCIP sir, at no handa nga yan alis jay DNR. Handa nga mabalin nga dawatan tayo kinadungugan na apay mabalin nga imbis nga ialis yun na ito eh. Noan niya ti kakurang na nga kitkitaan nyo dito'y NCIP. Can you make additional budget to strengthen, like for example, the creation of technical working group as to the determination, the validation of these claims, di ba? Kasi ijay TAR, di ba rin award jay EO75 nga dagitoy agencies i-release yung dagitoy lote nga kasapulan ti agency. Di problema man na ijay isungayin pa sir dun ni Secretary TAR shock during that time I was sitting as one of the board of regents of BSU. So during my time initial na claim ti IPE jay na i-release ko man ti BSU, it's around 100 hectares. Bigla nga nagbalon ti 200 hectares. Bigla nga nagbalon ti 300 hectares. Kat diya yun, nasindikato kung haanon nga jay valid nga claims di man. So kasano nga jay agpay supiman ti claim da. And then we came to know, mailaklakon. So at that time nag-invest, I know one who invested 5 million just to have a claim over that supposed release land. So, as langay ti ko nandiyan instructor mi ijay IPM talo, hanga IP member, but he was born accordingly and raised in Mangkayan. Tilas mi man nga parting words na, imagine nyo ka DJ kwa, Carly, steak. Jay steak, tapos lagi jay aso ko ang ngingin learner tatapno sinuti umuna ijay steak. Pimanawan ajay ko ako mamaginagam jay steak ta aglalaban ko lagi jay. Wow. So di sir, can we at least pray to Congressman Dumugan that instead of transferring this kung nadangakurang ti NCIP, can they not create dagitoy position adjudicating budget thereof to enhance no anya ti kurang na ito yung opisina. I do not know the possibility of that. Kasi na dito in the ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution, no agin hearing ka dyan NCIP, at subli kayo tangkay tungtungan ito barangay in accordance with your tradition. Do we have capacitated, capable, logic sir, lagi dyan lakay tayo, one thing nga may sa makita idi, halimbawa na sa liman. Medyo ada kami dyan respeto. Ha? Tapos no, lagi dyan lakay idi ka, makita tayo nga, isakit na both parties, they are neutral. They're really qualified to be mediators. Now, the sir of Avila here, now they are getting old. How can we make younger generations to be good mediators in accordance with our tribal traditions and customs? And for one, I advocate mediation. Uray no adan jay kaso, but I always go for mediation first. No, hangay mag-ariglo, I got for the abogado. I even tell them directly, what do you have to lose? Pride only and ego in return for less gastos, less anxiety, ang mga pamanak na dyan, hirit na ta, makita man ang di dyan na kontrabida, o di ba? Or let us be saving them, kada tayo nga ron. So, ako, may isang personal karara ko, pag naasiyo kanyo ayan alis, nga niya ikurang na dito yung opisina, why don't you strengthen it? And when the AJ Technical Working Group, can dagitoy sir, di ipragamin ito da ijay tatao as if it is a private property, provided it is not being used for public purpose, mga ganun-ganun, di ba? Jay iprang. And that is the reason nga hanggang napurubaran da heirs of the Oro Carantes. So, kas jay tikwa, may sapay sir, anya ngay mati pang-strengthen dati in CIP so that instead of the denial for the corporate license, and instead we have to face it, these are being enjoyed by personal private mining. How could we also protect dagitoy private mining timan? Madi tayo nga ron ti korporasyon. Let's face it, adult pa private mining. Kasano nga diyan. So, I think, sir, my parting words is, how could Lusika ako dumugan? Anya ikastang nga mangpapigsa ijay NCIP at mga batayon. Kasjay ako. Thank you.